The all-new 2025 Volkswagen Tiguan SEL R-Line is here, a bolder, smarter, and more luxurious than ever. Welcome back to the next-gen world, where today we're diving into Volkswagen's latest premium SUV that's built to stand out in the crowded midsize segment. And trust us, the new Tiguan is no ordinary upgrade, it's a complete evolution. At first glance, the 2025 Tiguan SEL R-Line demands attention. It features a sharper front fascia with a sleek LED light bar, aggressive R-Line bumpers, and 20-inch alloy wheels that give it a commanding road presence. The body lines are tighter, the stance is more athletic, and the overall design feels distinctly upscale, almost like it belongs in a luxury segment. Volkswagen is clearly pushing this Tiguan toward premium territory, and we're here for it. Under the hood, it packs a 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine with mild hybrid technology, delivering around 265 horsepower and a smooth 8-speed automatic transmission. That means more efficiency, better throttle response, and a driving experience that's both dynamic and refined. And yes, 4Motion all-wheel drive comes standard on the SEL R-Line, giving you confident traction in all weather conditions. Step inside, and you'll feel the leap into the future. The 2025 Tiguan features a 15-inch floating touchscreen, one of the largest in its class, running Volkswagen's latest infotainment system. It's fast, intuitive, and finally supports wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. There's also a fully digital 10.25-inch driver display that's sharp, customizable, and packed with real-time info. Ambient lighting with up to 30 colors adds a premium touch, and the panoramic sunroof opens up the already spacious cabin. But comfort isn't sacrificed for tech. The SEL R-Line gets ventilated and heated front seats, Vienna leather upholstery, multi-zone climate control, and a Harman Kardon premium sound system, making every drive feel first class. And with increased rear legroom and a power liftgate, it's just as practical as it is stylish. Safety, Volkswagen isn't holding back. The new Tiguan SEL R-Line includes iQ.Drive, a suite of advanced driver assistance features like adaptive cruise control, lane centering, blind spot monitoring, and emergency assist. It's as close to semi-autonomous driving as you can get without going full autopilot. Now let's talk numbers. The 2025 Tiguan SEL R-Line is expected to start around $39,000 in the US market, and for everything it offers, that's a serious value. With strong resale, German engineering, and elevated luxury, this SUV is going to make waves. So, who's this for? If you want the refinement of an Audi Q5 without the price tag, the sporty looks of a BMW X3, and the practicality of a Honda CR-V all-in-one package, the 2025 Tiguan SEL R-Line is your perfect middle ground. That's it for today's deep dive on the next-gen world. If you're excited about the future of SUVs, smash the like button, hit subscribe, and let us know in the comments, would you choose the new Tiguan over its luxury rivals? Stay tuned for more first-look reviews, tech drops, and auto insights from the world of tomorrow.